Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, I'm starting off going to do a smoky eye today. I'm going to use my P. Louise base in the shade 4 or Rumors 4. And I'm not going directly in under my brow. I am going to carve out my brow shape, but I try not to go directly in because it's so easy to mess up that brow shape. And then once you mess it up, you have to go in and fix it. And it's just so much. So I always try to go in slow and directly on the brow, get the shape, and just gradually go in and carve out that eyebrow shape. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. gel eyeliner. Is in the shade Black Ivy. So what I'm going to do, well, first I'm just trying to make sure that this base is really matte, and I'm going in just dab, dab, dab. And so now we're going in with this gel eyeliner. And to get like a really awesome black smoky eye, I found that this is best to put the gel eyeliner on first, and that establishes your base, and then to come in with the black eyeshadow. It keeps the eyeshadow right where it is. It doesn't move, and it also makes the eyeshadow darker. And I don't have a clip here, but I have another video in which I do a black eye and or a dark smoky eye or black smoky eye. And I just really found that this is way more effective to have that black smoky eye that just locks into place. And that's what this gel eyeliner does. So now you just use a gel eyeliner to establish the shape that you want for your smoky eye. Obviously, you can take your black eyeshadow and go farther out past the gel eyeliner, but this helps to give you a good base. So I'm using my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and now I'm going to set that eyeliner with this black shadow. And I know my makeup brush is like, it looks horrible, but it does the job. For my transition shade, I'm using this brown here, and I'm going into the black eyeshadow and smoking it out with the brown eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my Becca Backlight Primer. I don't know if you noticed how my skin has had some red tone or red undertone. So I love this Fenty Beauty Profiltr in the shade 430. It like matches my skin tone perfectly, and it doesn't look like it when you first put it on, but it does oxidize to a matte finish, and when it oxidizes, it matches my skin tone perfectly. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Concealer in C11. I know you're thinking, oh baby, what is you doing? That is too light. But I promise you, it will come out good in the end. I beat it in so much, and then I'm going to set it. And Sundays, I hit you with the Blessed Be Jesus cross using my concealer. All right, now it's time to pat that in, and I'm going to show you, honey, how even though this shade is like 17 plus 3 shades lighter than it should be for my skin tone, how I just get it to work, honey. Terra-cotta, and I'm just going to place it in the spots that I want to highlight even more. And you can see how I have gotten the concealer to melt into my skin, but once I do this, it really is going to take effect. make a revolution, but I like to use this for my contour because it just blends in so perfectly with my foundation. So I'm using this and I'm contouring, going ahead and snatch that nose, honey. Dab, 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 dab that in. I'm using this matte brush. It's called Swiss Chocolate, and because of the shade of it, I use it as my contour. I use it to set my cream contour, and also I use it to on a brush. I use it to brush off the excess setting powder. Contouring of my nose. I use a fluffy makeup brush, a smaller brush, so that I can get precision contouring of my nose. I found like when I use the regular brush that I use to do the rest of my face for contouring, it's obviously is too big. My nose is big, but it's not that big. Alright, honey, now it's time to highlight, and I love my Ofra Beverly Hills palette, mostly because it has a mirror, and I constantly use that mirror, and that highlighter is popping, honey. It is popping, and I love it. dry from using all of this product. All right, we're almost done. I'm going to do my waterline, and I go in very slowly with my makeup brush. And I mean, I open my eyes, and that's why they look crazy. I open them as wide as I can get them to make sure that I get all the folds under my eye. And so that looks gorgeous, honey. And it's so freaking frustrating to be finished with your makeup and then you have fallout, and it is my fault. I acknowledge that, but that doesn't mean it's not frustrating. Lip liner in the shade whatever walnut, and I'm going to outline my lips, and then I'm going to also use this to cover the entirety of my lips. And you just ignore that red scarf, just act like it was there at the beginning of the video. This lip gloss is made by Lorac, and it is called Duchess, and this is like one of my very favorite lip glosses. I love it. It looks gorgeous, and it is very, very, very much perfect. Okay. Oh, so now I'm going on with my Kiss lashes. It's called Camisole, and oh yes, your girl is done. And it looks good. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.